poop combo. Good morning, guys. It's Chelsea and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe down below, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today we are doing a wellness vlog, so we're gonna be working out, working on myself and all of that. Like this past week I've really been like analyzing what I'm doing in this pregnancy and just in my life. I feel like I've done better and I can do better, so I re-signed up for my community gym. If you guys remember, I mentioned that in another video. So dang, the lighting want to do a whole bunch of things, so I did end up signing back up, and today we're going to go. This is my second day going. Let's get back into doing what we're supposed to be doing, working out and doing all the good things. Alright guys, for my outfit we have this Lululemon jacket, and then we have a sports bra on. Just these pants from Aerie, and then we have on my On Clouds. So that's the outfit for today. We're going to go in the kitchen. I've not eaten anything yet this morning. However, I'm not very hungry yet. What I've been doing though is drinking prune juice because I've been so constipated during this pregnancy, and prune juice is supposed to be a natural remedy. I'm trying to try that and see if that helps me because I just need something. Alright guys, so we're in the kitchen now. It's currently like 9, gonna be 9:30 in 10 minutes. Okay, this is the prune juice. So I just shake this and then I drank 8 ounces. I already did 2 days, obviously. This is the 3rd drink. I mean, the first day things were moved yesterday. It says drinking on empty stomach, so I'm going to drink this. And then, because I'm not super hungry, and then also you're about to go to the gym, a banana. And yes, I like my bananas like, this is like perfect. It's about to be sweet, but not too sweet to where it's like mushy. I think this is like a good poop combo. Alright guys, so we are at the gym, or we're in the parking lot of the gym. So I got my Beats, I got the baby, and I got some water. Today is arm day. Yesterday, guys, I was actually supposed to go to the gym for real. And today was supposed to be active rest day. But yesterday when I got home from work, I literally laid down for 15 minutes and like somehow I fell asleep. Like I don't even remember falling asleep. And then I woke up 2 hours later. So yeah, the gym was not happening yesterday. Yesterday was a rest day and I actively went to work. And then I twisted my hair yesterday because I had to get back on it. I feel like this is what helps my hair grow the most. Okay, I've been doing these really ugly hairstyles just to get by in the day. Let's go into the gym and work out those arms so we don't have flabby jacks on the bottom of our arms. Okay, we're looking on Pinterest for some breakfast ideas. I have no idea what I want to eat. Okay, I can get down. I can get down. I can get down with it. Alright, so I think we're gonna do a bagel, cottage cheese, eggs. Honestly, I don't have avocados and I do not like avocado. I really tried. Okay, even when I wasn't a child, I really tried to eat avocados. This is what we came up with. So I have scrambled eggs, I have fried calamari from like a restaurant, and then this is a bagel with cottage cheese on it, and then everything bagel seasoning. The calamari didn't have sauce, so I didn't warm up the sauce, but warmed up those, and that's what I'm gonna eat. I feel like this is a good amount of protein.
I have 2 eggs, so that's 12 grams, and then cottage cheese, and then calamari also has some protein in it.
Probably gonna make some lemon water. Hola chicas, it's a new day. I just went to church this morning and I was at church until 2 o'clock. It was at 11:30, so we were there for a little bit. I'm drinking a body armor and then just some water. And I'm going to open my Kindle with you guys. I decided to buy a Kindle for my well-being because I feel like I'm just a girl who's never I never grasped reading. I know how to read, but I'm saying like I never found it fun, entertaining and things like that. It sounds like a sponsorship. I'm not sponsored by Kindle, but I'm just saying, and I feel like to grow and just have a better mindset as a woman, as a wife, and as a soon-to-be mom, I feel like I need to start reading more, better my mindset, my routine, and things like that. Oh, I didn't even say. Going to go on a walk with my friend. She's gonna be here in about 20-30 minutes, and we're gonna go on a 4-mile or almost 4-mile walk. I made a route around my neighborhood, but we want to do this every Sunday after church. I am still waiting for the screen protector part. I did end up getting a clear case, just a simple little clear case. I did get the screen protectors that have no glare. But this is the Kindle. I just got the basic one. I know these are so tiny. This is so cool. I'm like tapping it. Let's make sure this case fits. Oh, I'm so excited. This is like a little mini phone. Oh, this is so cute. So obviously I'm gonna decorate it, but that'll probably be a different video. Here goes my new Kindle. Alright guys, I got my food. We have granola and banana and honey on this side. And then we have a bagel, cottage cheese, and everything. Bagel seasoning on it. So we're gonna eat this. This is what we might I don't know if this looks heavy, but I've seen a thing too that you should eat carbs before you work out. I'm gonna finish the rest of this to just a regular water bottle. So finish the other half of this and finish this. And my friend should be here in about 15-ish minutes. I'm gonna go on the walk. This is my bump update for today. These Lululemon biker shorts. My friend is here now. I'm not gonna record. I'm not bringing my camera on this walk, but I'm gonna do a TikTok short so then people can be like, oh my gosh, she didn't actually walk that long if we're not sweating by the end. Now it's dark in here, guys, but here goes my proof. Done. My body feels it so bad that I'm itchy. I don't know. I feel like I need to go take a shower. I made a protein shake, guys. And my whole entire body. I worked on my back yesterday, legs on Thursday. Oh, I beat. It's just frozen fruit, chia seeds, and protein powder. Because I'm hungry. And then dinner is cooking. We're having lasagna. While dinner is cooking, I need to make, I'm gonna juice. I'm also gonna meal prep breakfast burritos. Guys, I actually added banana to this one. And this one tastes so much better than the last time I had it. Obviously, it has to be a sweet banana. If your banana looks like this and you're eating it, you're crazy. Alright, we have all our little potatoes. I think I cut like 6. I have no idea. So I'm going to season them in this glass bowl and then I'm going to cook them in the air fryer. Alright guys, so I'm juicing. Sorry, I'm not really filming it, but I cut up the stuff. We misplaced a little sand or like, I think they're called like milk or cow bags, whatever, that you can squeeze if you're using like a regular blender. So we're gonna use a strainer so that it's gonna be a little more pulpy. Juicing for my mom and I, mostly my mom. I don't really like green juice. Yeah, we're probably not gonna have that much juice because, I mean we did, I could actually make a lot of juice. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I just did the first little cycle and I'm about to strain it into this bucket. Okay, 6 eggs. That's the potatoes. Where's my tortillas? I'm so dead right now. This is what I'm using. All right, here goes my 5 burritos. I had just enough. I have a little bit extra potatoes, but 5 for each of the 5 days of the week. So I'm gonna have that. And then I'll be having fruit or something else with it. The juice is just sitting here because my mom is not sitting here and pouring it anywhere. Okay, we're finally eating. That's what we're doing today. I have the juices, but I don't even think I took a picture of the burritos. Alright guys, it's another new day. The pregnant lady in a bikini. I'm going to go tan outside because I really want my feet to tan. And yeah, that's all I have to say about that. I just, you know, want to tan. I have my hat. This is from Lululemon. This bikini is from pre-pregnancy. It's from Mora's Bikinis. And then I have some sunscreen on right now. I put sunscreen and oil on and then like my little belly routine. I'm going to put more more sunscreen on when I get outside because I know when you're pregnant you can tan quicker and whatever. The plan is to bring this Kindle out and read. So the book that I'm reading right now, Having a Merry Heart in a Martha World, Finding Intimacy with God, oh, and the Busyness of Life. Basically, it's talking about how like we need to be intimate with God. I actually really like it so far. So that's what I'm gonna be reading. I think I'm on like chapter 3. I literally just started reading it. I've been reading like a chapter a day just because, you know, I don't have all the free time, but I still want to like get into it. Putting some Vaseline on. I need to make me a water. I filmed another video this morning, so we need this wellness decompose, and this will be the last thing you guys kind of see for this video. I'm in this big old bag for no reason. Kindle, Vaseline. I don't know where my sunglasses are. I forgot my tripod in the room. I filled it like halfway. I'm not gonna drink that much. I'm not gonna stay out there forever. There's already towels outside. I have like a whole bunch of junk snacks. Kill me. Okay, I'm gonna use the bathroom and then I think that's, I don't know if it's focused on me. Hello, it's me, hello. Maybe I'll film a couple TikToks out there. Yeah, let's go outside. We moved to the shade. Can you guys notice the little tan? That's gonna be the end of this video. So I hope you guys chilled. I hope you guys remember self-care, something. Tomorrow my twist will come out, so I don't really know why that's relevant. But I'm about to eat my Rice Krispie. And I feel a lot of baby movement during tanning. I don't know if she's hot, but I was definitely hot. Hubby's on the phone over there. Virtual dates through the phone. Peace out. I love you. God loves you. See you in the next video.